In this video, you'll learn how to create a Google Cloud account from scratch so you can start using Google's cloud services with confidence and without confusion. First, let's open your browser and go to the Google Cloud website. An easy way to do this is to type Google Cloud into your search engine and click the official Google Cloud result, or you can enter the main Google Cloud URL directly if you already know it. Once the page loads, you should see information about Google Cloud products, pricing, and solutions. Don't worry about all of that just yet. We're just focused on getting your account set up. On the Google Cloud homepage, look for the button that says Get Started for free. This is usually highlighted near the top of the page because Google wants new users to find it easily. Go ahead and click that button. This free start option often includes some promotional credits, which means you can try services without being charged right away, as long as you stay within the free limits and the credit amount. Keep in mind that the exact offer can change over time, so read the short description on the page to understand what you're getting. After you click Get Started for free, you'll be prompted to sign in with a Google account. If you already have a Gmail address or use Google services like YouTube or Google Drive, you can use that same account here. Simply enter your email address and your password and then continue. If you don't have a Google account yet, there will be an option to create one. Follow the prompts to set up a new account, then return to the Google Cloud sign-in process once that's complete. When you're signed in, Google Cloud will ask for your billing details. This is a standard requirement, even if you're using free credits, because they need a payment method on file to verify your identity and to cover any usage that goes beyond the free tier. You'll typically be asked for information such as your country or region, account type, and payment method like a credit or debit card. Make sure you enter accurate information here. Take a moment to double check that your country is correct, because this can affect available services and pricing. As you add your payment details, pay attention to any notes about trial periods, credits, or when billing might start. Many people worry that they'll be charged immediately, but usually Google Cloud will not bill you until after your free credits are used or the trial period ends, and even then only if you actually use billable resources. Still, it's a good habit to review the terms carefully and consider setting up budgets or alerts later inside the console to help you track costs. Once your billing information is entered and confirmed, you can complete the setup. You'll likely see a summary screen showing your account details and the trial or credit information. Click the button to finish and wait a moment while Google Cloud creates your project environment. After this, you should be taken into the Google Cloud console, which is the main dashboard where you can manage your projects, services, and resources. At this stage, your Google Cloud account is ready to use. From here, you can explore the console, create your first project, or check the navigation menu to see products like Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, or BigQuery. If you're new, it's a good idea to start slowly, follow some guided tutorials within the console, and keep an eye on your billing section so you stay within your free limits. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a Google Cloud account and are ready to start building and experimenting in the cloud.